Welcome to qnawire.
Okay, so I see that you need help with this question, and it states the following. In 2003, an Accreditation Council for Graduate Medical Education implemented new rules limiting work hours for all residents. A key component of these rules is the residents should work no more than 80 hours per week. The following is the number of weekly hours worked in 2017 by a sample of residents at Tidelands Medical Center. Develop a 98% confidence interval for the population mean. Use T distribution table, round your answer to 2 decimal places. So the first thing that I need to show is there are 12 numbers, and you need to find the mean of those 12 numbers. So you add them up, divide them by 12, and you're going to get 84.5. Then what you're going to do is you are going to find the difference between each one of the values and the mean, square it, and add them together. And you're going to get a sum of your squares of 269. You're going to divide that by 11 because this is a sample. And you're going to get a a variance of 24.45. Then you're going to find the square root of that number, and you're going to get 4.95. Then that is your standard deviation. So we have our mean, our standard deviation, and our amount of numbers. So then what you're going to do is you're going to take your mean of 84.5. Then you're going to do plus or minus, and a 98% confidence interval is going to be 2.326 of a t-score. And you're going to do plus or minus, not plus or minus, times your standard deviation of 4.95 divided by the square root of 12. So 4.95 divided by the square root of 12 times 2.326, and that's 84.5 plus or minus 3.32. And so that's your margin of error. And then you're going to first take 84.5 and you're going to subtract 3.32, and you're going to get 81.18. And that's your lower bound. And your upper bound is when you add the two numbers together, and you're going to get 87.82. And this is your confidence interval. So I hope that this video helps. This is the middle school math teacher signing out.